Hello, today I'm going to be replacing the keyboard on this Dell Latitude E7240 laptop. If you have a look in here, keys have been pried off, and even if I could put them back on, they've been bent and they no longer would stick on anyway. I think a dog got to the laptop. So there is documentation on the Dell website. So if for the UK or Europe people, it's support.euro.dell.com, and it's called the Dell Latitude E7240 Owner's Manual. And under the Removing and Installing Components section, it has well documented instructions on how to replace the keyboard and take out quite a lot of the parts anyway. So if you prefer reading information rather than viewing a video, go and have a look at Dell's website, because they have all the instructions for you. So the first thing is to take out the battery. There you go, battery. Second thing is these two screws, undo those. And then this panel should slide towards where the battery was. Only slides about that much, and then gently lift up. And that whole panel comes undone. So the next step is to remove this trim around the edge here. So Dell's instructions themselves say, using a plastic scribe, pry the keyboard trim to release it from the computer and lift up to remove the keyboard trim from the computer. So I've got some of that unclipped. One thing to watch out for is when it gave way, I moved that quite a bit, so don't put a huge amount of force into it because you could end up snapping the plastics round. So turn the laptop over, lift up this bit of plastic, and the connector is there. That connector is a hinge type, and it seems to be quite easy to undo, which is quite nice because quite often they're very difficult. So put my fingernail under it, just hinged it up, and then you should be able to lift out that connector. So after undoing that connector, there's also two screws. They're labelled K in a bit of plastic. So there's one there and there's one there. Flip the machine over. and there should be some screws holding the keyboard in along the top. Not sure whether this is missing some because there's not a screw there, but there is a screw there, there and there, so there may be 4 screws, but one might be missing on this machine. I use incredibly small headed screwdriver or screws. And lift the keyboard out. There we go. So there's my new keyboard. Just before you try and put it in, just make sure everything does match up and you've ordered the correct keyboard. It's definitely looking like the right thing. So that slides in like that. There's little tabs which go under the plastic palm rest here, and then screw the 4 screws back in, or in my case the 3. Put the 2 screws which are marked K back in on the underside. Connect this ribbon cable back up. And make sure you hinge the latch back down. Clip the plastic keyboard surround back down. Ooh, almost. I've got that side done. The left side did not want to play fair. So yeah, there we go. Try and put those corners in first and then push the rest of it down, because those are the most fiddly part. Flip the laptop back over, and this metal cover sits on and then slides upwards. And there are those two screws at the bottom edge or bottom corner of each corner. That doesn't really make sense. In each of the bottom corners. And then put the battery back in. Also, while I'm at it, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be really helpful to me. So if this video has been helpful to you, please do subscribe, because YouTube seems to be going on the subscription numbers these days, so you don't need to turn on notifications, but just the subscription would be a real help. And there we go, one replaced and working keyboard. So I hope that's helped you. Good luck.